perspectives.
2038, a new awakening. You open your eyes. The room is silent, yet alive, as if it has its own breath. Before you even feel cold, the temperature shifts, and the lights automatically adjust to that perfect tone that never strains your eyes. A calm, deep voice whispers that you slept exactly 7 hours and 42 minutes, the most optimal duration for cognitive performance. The date appears on the wall, 2038. The feared scenario didn't happen. The world didn't end, but it has undeniably transformed. Invisible governance. The strange part is this: nothing waits for your decision anymore. In 2038, artificial intelligence is no longer an assistant on your phone. It is like electricity itself, an infrastructure. You don't see it, but it sees everything. It manages corporations, optimizes bureaucracy, and simulates millions of possibilities before a single law proposal even reaches Parliament, already knowing the outcome. In some countries, governance has become a partnership between elected humans and calculated algorithms. Decisions are fast, mistakes are minimal, and efficiency is frighteningly perfect. But transparency, that's much harder to calculate. Your home knows you. Hospitals still exist, but treatment now begins inside your home. Your house knows your body better than you do. The mirror you wash your face in analyzes your skin every morning. Toilets complete routine, blood and hormone tests. Changes in your breath are detected long before you feel anything unusual. Cancer is often stopped before it even begins, and life expectancy continues to rise. But this comfort comes at a cost. Your most intimate biological data is stored in vast databases, and someone decides what will be done with it. The doctor in every home. In 2038, everyone has a doctor, not in a clinic, but at home. AI-powered medical systems monitor your health continuously, running blood analyses, scanning organs, and predicting illnesses days or even weeks in advance. Robotic assistants administer treatments, adjust medication in real time, and alert human doctors only when necessary. Healthcare becomes proactive rather than reactive. You no longer go to the doctor because you feel sick. The system already knows. An economy without emotions. In the world of finance, there is no longer room for humans. No one trusts a flesh and blood mind with speed anymore. Artificial intelligence controls stock markets, currencies, and risk management. Investments are made not in the blink of an eye, but in microseconds. There is no emotion, no panic, and crises are predicted before they arrive. People no longer manage their money. Money manages itself. Of course, everything works perfectly, until one day, when one algorithm refuses to agree with another and locks the entire system. Dark factories. Most factories are now completely dark. The lights are off because the robots inside don't need to see. Production continues flawlessly, 24/7. Humans design these systems, but they no longer touch them once the gears begin to turn. What we call work is no longer a physical place. It has become an abstract concept, and society starts asking the difficult question: if productivity is infinite and humans are no longer needed, what is the value of a human being? Journeys that ask no permission. When you step outside, transportation doesn't ask for your permission. It simply takes you where you need to go. Autonomous vehicles dominate the roads. Flying cars glide through regulated corridors in the sky. Cities no longer expand horizontally, they rise upward. Traffic accidents are almost non-existent because every movement is predicted in advance. You arrive at your destination exactly when expected. The feeling of freedom has quietly been replaced by the feeling of efficiency. The end of distance waiting for deliveries is a thing of the past. Shipments now race against minutes. Autonomous drones cross continents, ports never sleep, and supply chains think and decide for themselves. In secret laboratories, however, an entirely different excitement is growing. Matter transmission. We can't call it teleportation yet, but the rules of distance are beginning to bend. The laws of physics are no longer walls, they are puzzles waiting to be solved. The fusion of human and machine. The line between human and machine has never been more blurred. Brain-computer interfaces are no longer they are part of everyday life. You can control devices with your thoughts, back up memories, and artificially enhance your focus. No one asks anymore, should we do this? There is only one question left: How much further can we go? The big question: life in 2038 is undeniably easier, safer, and longer. Yet one question refuses to leave your mind. If machines always make the best decisions, what is the meaning of choice? And if humanity has succeeded in building a system smarter than itself, is this our greatest victory, or the quiet, comfortable beginning of our end?